Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to connect a wallet to Raydium step by step. So let's get started. So for example, I'm just using Phantom Wallet right here, but I'm just gonna guide you on how in connecting Raydium to any wallet you want. So for example, you just have to click more like GPS type in the bottom and just click Raydium. So for example, if you are using browser, you could see this interface in your browser, and as you can see in here, this is what it looks like in Raydium website. It's still the same even I'm using in Phantom Wallet. So right here, if you want to connect a wallet, you just have to click connect, and as you can see in here, you just have to connect whatever wallet you want. So for example, I just have to connect with my Phantom. And if I click that, as you can see, if I just click connect, it will automatically connect to my wallet, Phantom Wallet. And that's it. That's how you connect your wallet to Raydium. And thanks for watching. I hope my video is helpful, and see you in the next one.